The Youth Minister Tino Machakaire has publicly accused senior figures within his own party of being involved in drug trafficking, calling for their immediate arrest and prosecution. Sarabina mashoko buda pangwa ine Machakaire achiexposa aiwa mabig wigs the ruling party ZANU-PF achati aiwa pane vakomana varuta zvedrug trafficking panguva ino achiti they must be arrested with immediate effect. Sarabina mashoko mudanyuka panguva ino ribva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimu aimo mudanyuka mchinzi. Addressing delegates at a ZANU-PF Youth League inter-district meeting in Hwange on Wednesday, Machakaire, who also serves as the ruling party's youth league boss, warned that drug abuse was destroying young people and tearing communities apart. In quotes, "We cannot continue to pretend," he declared. "It is now high time we call a spade a spade. Drugs are killing us, and drugs are destroying our nation." Machakaire alleged that some of the very people expected to lead by example were behind the smuggling and distribution of dangerous substances. "There are big people in our party, untouchables, who are importing and selling drugs. These people must be arrested," he said, drawing murmurs from the crowd. The minister's remarks, made in the presence of National Assembly Speaker Jacob Mudenda, signaled a rare and bold challenge against senior party members, some of whom are widely believed to be shielding during the drug cartels. Youth leaders at the gathering welcomed Machakaire's stance, saying his words reflected the frustrations of ordinary Zimbabweans who see drug abuse worsening, while authorities appear unwilling to tackle those at the top. Ndomashikwana panguva ino Tino Machakaire panguva ino achiexposa uori hurikuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF ava nevanhu vari kuita zvinhu zviri illegal vachiteka advantage nemapositions avari vachiziva kuti hapana munhu anokwanisa kuvakweshena. Comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu mutidii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.